Alright, so today we're going to be replacing these fog lights. This is normally how I drive around without my headlights on, just the fog lights on. There's nothing wrong with them. I've just got these JDM LED yellow ones we're going to put in there, and hopefully it makes a bit of a difference. So, when you get under here, everything is blocked off basically, so we're gonna have to start taking stuff off and see if we can figure out how to get there. Start with taking off the front silver lid, looking like this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws that hold that off, and then there's another 2 screws that hold all this. This plastic piece. I don't know if you can see, but up in here is where we need to get to, and then pull this out. It's just blocking our way. Next thing you need to do is get out this one back in there, and I had to turn the wheels to each side. I already got the other side out. There you go. Everything is T25. Be able to pull this out. There you go. You gotta be careful with this hose. I believe this is for the fluid that washes your headlights, so don't break that. Out in like 2 seconds. So we got this one out. Go with the replacement. Well, we got one in. There's the old one. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. The issue on this side is that the tab is actually broken here. It's cracked. So I have to try and maybe get a screwdriver in there to try and wedge it out. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna keep these just in case my new ones ever die. On. Alright, I'll put that back in, and then I'll keep the time lapse going for the putting the plastics back on. How about that for a transformation? That's one way to JDM-ify your Volvo. But I'm just always trying to make my XC70 look better. You saw my previous videos. I have painted those wheels very poorly and put on these mud flaps, and we also got some good old performance brakes on there. But we're just doing minor upgrades. Oh, that's how you get them to look yellow, and they're nice bright LEDs, so they should last forever. I'll keep the old ones just in case, but if you like this video, go ahead and like it. And thank you so much for watching. If you subscribe, I do a few occasional Volvo videos here and there, so if you have any ideas for something for me to do, let me know. And I do a bunch of other random projects, so go ahead and check those out. Bye.